What's up, guys? So this is my bike. Get your flashlight, Mike. So it's fucked. Here is a bunch of my clutch down there.
And clutch basket.
Clutch basket. It blew the fuck up. So look at that. Isn't that fucking cool?
Needs a good clean.
All these shits up here are all fucking, all these
Just dirty.
just sharp and chipped. My back here is all fucked up. All that's chipped. So, and then what? I got shit going up, all up in there. I got a piece right there about to go into my engine.
Crankcase.
Crankcase. Yeah. So Tasha is I don't know if she's ever gonna fucking
She'd be alright. Damn, I almost put my foot in that.
Jesus, look at all that. Wow. Wow.
That's the hole. I gave it away.
One of those pieces shot out my fucking thing. What the fuck? Alright, so I guess all I'm gonna do now is just clean this bitch out and take it more apart and cry. And that's it. How do I turn this fucker off? I don't know how to do this. Finish.